You know, the world feeds off energy. And so do we. Driving the culture forward. This is the age of, getting out there and going. So we just plug and go. Don't gotta think about it too much. That's the basis of the electric elephant.
I saw him driving by and I asked him, I said, "Is that electric?" He pulled right over and he said, "Take it for a drive." So I just took it up the block and I'm impressed.
Not just a bike. Easy for the average everyday person just to feel something. My generation, we care about the environment. In a world that's moving towards green energy, fossil fuels are so yesterday. I just caught the wave. Did you?